Ever wondered how to boost your brand in Pakistan with Facebook marketing? Well, you're in the right place. Facebook is more than just a social media platform. It's a digital universe with over 2 billion active users worldwide. That's a vast ocean of potential customers waiting to discover your brand. Facebook offers a unique ability to target advertising to specific demographics and geographic locations. Want to reach young adults in Karachi or maybe middle-aged professionals in Lahore? With Facebook, you can do just that and much more. Its advanced algorithms and data collection methods allow businesses to reach their ideal audience with precision, making it a cost-effective and efficient marketing tool. Beyond this, Facebook allows for mobile-optimized strategies and data-driven success, ensuring your campaigns resonate with your audience and drive results. Now that we've established why Facebook is a powerful marketing tool, let's delve into how you can harness its potential. First and foremost, a Facebook business page is essential. To set one up, head to Facebook's homepage and select Create a Page. You'll be guided through a series of prompts where you'll select your business category, input your business name, address, and contact information. All these details matter. They not only legitimize your business, but also make it easier for potential customers to find and reach you. So, ensure they are accurate and complete. Next, you'll need to upload a profile picture and cover photo. High-quality, relevant images are key here. They are the first thing visitors see, so they should represent your brand well. Finally, don't overlook the importance of the call to action button. This is a direct link to your website, an invitation to contact you, or a prompt to learn more about your products or services. With your Facebook business page set, you're ready to move on to the next step. Once your page is set up, it's time to create engaging content. Your content is the bridge that connects you to your audience. It's the vehicle through which you can share your brand's story, values, and offerings. But it's not just about churning out post after post. It's about producing content that resonates with your audience, that's relevant to them, and adds value to their lives. Consider a mix of posts. Images can be powerful, often conveying messages more quickly than text. Videos can provide a richer, more immersive experience. And text, when used well, can share detailed information or tell compelling stories. But remember, in a world of information overload, less is often more. Keep your posts concise, clear, and easy to digest. Aim to entertain, inspire, educate, or solve problems with your content. Always strive to add value. Remember, content is king. Now, let's look at how to promote this content. Now, you're ready to take your marketing to the next level with Facebook ads. Imagine this. You've created a compelling piece of content, and now you want it to reach the right audience. This is where Facebook ads come into play. Setting up a Facebook ad is like preparing a well-cooked meal. You select the right ingredients, or in this case, the target audience, ad placement, and budget. By narrowing down your audience, you ensure that your ad reaches those who are most likely to engage with your brand. Meanwhile, setting a budget helps keep your spending in check. But the magic doesn't stop there. With Facebook ads, you can track the performance of your ads in real time. This means you can see how many people are engaging with your ad and adjust your strategy accordingly. Facebook ads can significantly boost your brand's visibility and engagement. But what's next? Finally, it's crucial to monitor and adjust your strategy based on performance. The beauty of Facebook marketing lies in its dynamic nature. Your strategy isn't set in stone. It's a living, breathing entity that you can tweak and refine as you go along. You can't improve what you can't measure, and that's where Facebook's analytics tools come into play. These comprehensive tools offer insights into the performance of your posts and ads, helping you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Are more people engaging with your videos or image posts? Are your ads reaching the right audience? Use these insights to guide your strategy. Remember, it's not about doing more of the same, but about doing more of what works. With continuous monitoring and adjusting, you can truly harness the power of Facebook marketing for your brand. So, what are you waiting for? Start boosting your brand in Pakistan with Facebook marketing today.